In the previous video, we discussed about transportation. For the continuation only we are going to discuss in this video. Before seeing my video, please go through my previous videos, then only you will get the connectivity. At the same time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Next we are going to discuss on lymph. Same like that, blood like that, lymph also very important component. The lymph is nothing but it is a yellow color, pale yellow color fluid which carries from a vessel. That vessel is called a lymph vessel. So lymph is nothing but a liquid which pass into the vessel. That vessel is called a lymph vessel. The lymph vessel are around the blood vessels. Wherever the blood vessels are there, it is around. What is the role of the lymph means? It protect the body, at the same time it protect the blood. We will discuss how it is protect later. Before knowing the lymph, we should know about tissue fluid. What is tissue fluid? Everything. Tissue fluid is also called intercellular fluid. Tissue fluid also called intercellular fluid or extracellular fluid. There are the three names are there: tissue fluid, intercellular fluid or extracellular fluid. What is tissue fluid? We should know that. Tissue fluids are nothing but when the blood flow inside the artery, after artery it goes to capillary. So when the capillary carries the blood, that time leakage will happen. Due to leakage, certain amount of blood plasma and leukocyte, that is a WBC, leak out from the capillary wall and take a bath on the cell. That bath, that fluid is called tissue fluid. Blood flows into the capillaries. That time plasma, leukocytes are leak out and fluid bath the cells and the cell is called, that fluid is called tissue fluid. So it is surround the entire cell. At the same time, what is the role means? It will absorb the nutrient, at the same time it release the waste material also. This is called tissue fluid. Now what is mean by lymph? How the lymphs are formed means, here after this tissue fluid spread on the cell, certain amount of fluid reabsorbed into the vessel of lymph. Another vessel will be reabsorbed the tissue fluid. Certain tissue fluid are reabsorbed back by the help of another vessel. That vessel is called a lymph vessel. So that fluid is called a lymph. I hope you have understood. Here I am just writing here. You see this. Some of the tissue fluid reabsorbed by another vessel. Here the vessel is lymph vessel. That fluid is called a lymph. Lymph is nothing but it's a watery liquid, pale yellow in color. It is the composition similar to the blood plasma. Blood plasma similar to same like the lymph also having similar. At the same time it contains WBC. WBC means we know leukocytes. So that is called the lymphocytes. Lymphocytes means lymph. Cytes, cell. So lymphatic cells are present. So WBC is also called lymphocytes. Clear? These two. At the same time the lymph is contain more amount of protein, fat molecules, digested food, dead cells and fragmented cells also. This lymph is passed inside the vessel. That vessel is called lymph vessels. The lymph vessels having similar type of blood plasma and WBC. It does not contain RBC. That is the reason it looks yellowish color. Clear? Now next we are going to discuss about what is the function of lymph. The function of the lymphs are, there are the four functions are doing. One is supply, second one is drainage, third one is protection, fourth one is removing. There are the four heading. I am adding here. I will explain each and everything. So there are the four functions done by the lymph. First one is supply, second drainage, third one is protection, fourth one is removing. What is supply? Supply is nothing but supply of nutrients or oxygen, those where the blood cannot reach. Those who are the place blood cannot reach, that place nutrient and oxygen can pass by the help of lymph. I hope you have understood. The second one is drainage. Drainage means drain the excessive fluid and protein to the blood. Excessive fluid and protein part, it will drain from the blood. That is called the next function, drainage. Third function is protection. I already told the lymph contain lymphocyte, that is WBC. WBCs produce antibodies. These antibodies protect our body. At the same time, it increase our body immunity against the antigen. Whatever the foreign substances enter, that foreign substances will not allow to enter inside. So that protection is done by WBC. So the WBC is present inside the lymph. So that is a third function, protection. It protects the body by killing germs. Fourth function is removing. So whatever the cells died or killed, that cells has to be removed. That cells have to remove from the place. So that process is called removing. So the waste products like dead cell and fragment cells, fragment means small pieces of cells, are removed by the lymph. There are the four functions. Again you repeat, supply. It supplies nutrient, oxygen wherever the place blood cannot enter. Lymph vessels will go and give the nutrient as well as oxygen. Second one is drainage. Excessive fluid as well as protein can be absorbed by blood. Third one is protection. With the help of WBC, it protects the body and develop the immunity. At the same time, it kills the germs. Fourth one is removing. Whatever the dead cells and fragmented cells can be collected and sent outside. These are the function of lymph. I hope you have understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.